So I've just created a new course, how to make and sell SVG designs. So in case you're hesitating on taking it or you're not quite sure why you should, in this video I thought I would just go over 5 reasons why it's a great idea to sell SVG or digital designs alongside your business, if you have like a Cricut business or vinyl decal business, or even if you just kind of use your cutting machines a lot. So I sell SVGs through Vinyl Decal School, but before I even started that, I've also been building a wedding digital design shop to complement my vinyl business, and it was started with the same designs that I use for my decals. It's not a full-time income, but it brings in a few extra $100 a month with very little work on my part. So this might not be for you if you don't already create your own designs, but if you do, then it may be something to think about, and this is why. Extra money passively. So I don't really believe that you can have fully passive income. It does take a little bit of work to kind of add the designs, and you will get the odd customer query once in a while. So I do find that term a bit misleading. But as I said, I do this and it takes up very little of my time. When you sell digital designs, you add them once and they can be bought multiple times with no extra work on your behalf. So you can essentially make money while you sleep. Target people who would never be your customers anyway. So you might think, why would I sell my designs at a much cheaper price when I can make the physical products and make a better profit from that? But people who own their own cutting machines, and there are more and more of them now, are probably unlikely to buy your physical products because they can make them themselves. So you would never make a sale from them from that side of your business. You may as well try and make a sale from them with your designs, however. If you're worried about those people taking your designs and then becoming competitors, that is a valid concern, but you can just choose to sell your designs with a personal rather than commercial license. You could just pick and choose which designs you sell, maybe don't sell your most popular ones, or you can just amend them in some way so that they're not exactly the same. You know what works as a design file and what doesn't. So if you've been using your cutting machine for a while now, you should know which designs work really well as cutting files and what don't. And you should probably kind of have figured out what people are looking for as well, customer-wise. So it puts you in a really good position to create designs for others. Maybe you can even spot a gap in the market if there's something that you wish that you could just buy ready-made, but it's not already out there. Chances are if you want it, then other people will want it too, so you could go ahead and create those designs for others to buy. Digital designs are perfect if you are taking a break, you're on vacation, or it's a holiday, but someone needs one of your designs as soon as possible. You can then direct them to your online store. They can print the design, or they can send it to someone else with a cutting machine so they can make it for them, and you don't have to worry about losing out on a sale. This is also great if someone needs something extra last minute and you wouldn't be able to get it made and sent in time. They could use one of your digital designs to print instead. Obviously, it only works with certain types of designs, but this has happened to me quite a few times with my wedding shop. Another outlet for your creativity. If you already have a crafty business, then you are probably very creative. And if you have a ton of new ideas, sometimes even way too many that you could add to your physical product shop, then this is the perfect place to try out new things. And you can even make designs that are suitable for so many different items as well. So it's a great outlet for your creativity. So it's not for everyone, and it might be too much work on top of everything else you have going on. But I've just found it to be a great source of extra income. So I really wanted to share it with everyone else because I love helping people diversify their business. So do check out my course. The link is in the description. If you want to just kind of jump right in though, you don't feel like you need a course, I do also have a link to 40 free listings when you open an Etsy shop. And I also have a referral link to design bundles as well for opening a shop on there. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found that helpful. Please don't forget to like, follow and subscribe for more videos like this in future.